Before we go any further, I'm going to want to put these components and their wiring into their enclosures just to protect them a bit as we do other work. So I'll do this with each type of component, then you can repeat with the other of that type. So let's begin with the proximity sensor. We'll get the proximity sensor enclosure, front and back. I don't know which one this is right now. Let me check. This is this one with the orange, yellow, green, and blue wires over here. This is my left proximity sensor, and this is my right proximity sensor enclosure. So get the one for the left. So I know this because as I hold this up, the signal will go out this side here. What can I put with? It'll go out this side, and the wire is going to come up the leg of the RJ11 telephone wire is going to come up the leg of the walker here. So the sensor components are pointed out this way to the outside of the walker leg, and the wire kind of goes up the inside of the walker leg. All right, so it's pretty simple here. I'm going to set the two cylinders of the sensor into these two openings, slide it in, and I'm going to rotate the RJ11 jack around until it can slide into that little receptacle there. The rest is just working these wires and connectors down and into whatever space I can make for them. Not real critical, as long as they just kind of fit there. And now I'll take the back of the enclosure, set it on top, and squeeze it down. I'll need two of the screws at this point and a small Phillips head screwdriver. We can place these into the recessed openings and just screw them down. One there, one here. I like the magnetic tips. Yeah, they're doing me a lot of good. I like the magnetic tips because then I can. Easier if you don't have a camera between you and the thing you're trying to assemble. Okay. So that's a unit that's all assembled. These other two holes are for mounting clamps to attach this unit to the walker. That's one that's done, and I'll let you do the other side yourself. It's the proximity sensors are the only ones that have a true left and right to them. So because they're mirror images, the enclosures are mirror images of each other. Now I'll get out the front and back of the buzzer enclosure. The RJ11 just slides into this opening here. It's a little more complete than just this little indent on the back side, or the other side of the enclosure. The proximity sensor, or not proximity sensor, the buzzer just slides into this little trough. And then we need to just kind of get the wires out of the way, maybe split them apart, because I'm going to want to push this post right here down between them to screw onto. I didn't have to push them apart. Push the wires apart. Let me work this. Make sure I've got the buzzer side is a little half circle, and there's just a little notch on the RJ11 jack side. Push this into place. Don't want to pinch the wires. And there's one hole here on this side. I need one screw to hold the enclosure together. I'll be removing the screw and using it again to attach the clamp or whatever, the clip or whatever it is I'm going to use to hold this buzzer enclosure to the walker. But for now, that's a complete unit. So we'll just repeat that with the other two components.